I'm Tinabeth Piña. Physics is all around us. In fact, it's actually the backbone of our everyday lives, from turning on a light, to talking on the phone, to you being able to watch me right now. And we wouldn't have engineering if it weren't for physics.
Physics law are behind of many development and many achievement which we have in engineering, in technology.
Professor Roman Kesharavili credits the discovery of electricity as the catalyst to the everyday living we take for granted.
Electric power, which is one of the most great achievement which we had in 18th century, So I cannot understand how we can live. For example, the iron. You have today electric iron, just plug, after a couple of seconds it's already hot and you can iron your clothes. What's happened before? You had something which you have to heat, wait, and after that clean, and then to iron.
We have things that were big in the 1940s we learned off of, and through the generations, it got smaller. So the technology has increased and condensed and got lighter and from the heavier parts.
Electricity isn't the only discovery that has made our lives easier. Magnetism is another phenomenon that also plays an important role in our everyday life.
Electricity and magnetism will power the motors that run the device, that would function the device for you to function.
Electric current can produce magnetic field. And changing magnetic field can produce electric current. And basically, we have electromagnetic field. So there are sometimes things which working only based on the magnetism. For example, compass. If you have a compass, it reacts only on the magnetic field. There are devices like your iron, which works only based on the electricity. However, there are devices which are working with coexistence of electric and magnetic field. This is electromagnetic wave which your cell phone catching. This is electromagnetic wave which you using in your radio set in your car. There are electromagnetic waves which we producing in microwave by converting energy of electric current to electromagnetic energy which has very short wavelengths, microwaves. Its energy is enough to use for heating or cooking.
It's that same electromagnetic energy that allows you to actually watch your favorite TV show through photons or light particles that are emitted through your screen.
Those light particles are being copied and then transmitted into electrical signals. Then those electrical signals are actually being turned into radio waves. Those radio waves are being transmitted to a receiver, and that receiver is picking up what you see and actually taking those electrical signals and those photons and showing you back into the image it is.
People don't really realize how complicated the devices that we use on an everyday basis actually are, right?
Yeah, when you pick up your phone, you call somebody, you don't realize you're sending a signal out to a tower to another network, so that person's network, so that person's phone rings and you can hear the person on the other line.
From phones to computers to whatever new invention is coming our way, technology has definitely changed our lives for the better.
Technology is actually bringing it to a point where you think it, now you can build it. The science behind it is how you make it all work and how you actually benefit the person and actually benefit everybody around it. And that's what people are thinking about, how to actually make it more easier for people.
Only time will tell how physics will affect the future of engineering, but chances are it'll have a tremendous impact on our everyday lives, and we still won't even realize it. For Science and You, I'm Tinabeth Piña.